Hey everybody, I hope everybody's doing this great on this Thursday. I have the Thursday 3 for you today. You may hear my kids in the background. We're all on this lockdown right now with the coronavirus. I hope everybody's doing well. One of my main things I want to talk about today is that our office is open and we have a new normal, but we're ready for it and we want to talk about that today. And that leads me right now to number one, which is what I want to talk about, what I mentioned already. This seems to be the new normal right now, that we are going to be dealing with the coronavirus and changing our schedules from homeschooling, which has been a lot of fun but challenging, even at a first grade level. We've got a first grader, eighth grader, and a college student. Of course, the two older ones can do their own thing. But I know it's a big difference to have homeschooling going on while you're trying to work. And I want to assure you that our office, a long time ago, we got ready not for this situation, but to be able to work remotely, especially nowadays with all the great things you can do online. So all of our cases are in the cloud in a secure area. Everything we have is through software, all of our updates, everything. You can call in just like normal. You can text us just like normal. If you want to have a video meeting, we can do that. That's not a problem. Only thing we can't do right now is meet with you in person unless it's an absolute emergency. Nobody wants to put their family at risk, or themselves for that matter. But I want to assure you that you have nothing to worry about your case. Jeanette and Mariana are working every single day, all day long. Edith as well. And Chris, who helps me with the videos, he's working from his house as well. So don't worry about a thing. We've got you covered. But if you have a question, give us a call. And I know that you just were able to see my book right there. If you want to order a copy, be sure to order a copy at texasinjurybook.com. I do mail them out myself, and I don't have them here, so it might be a little while, but we'll get one out to you if you decide to read it. It might be a very good read during this time. One thing I like to do, especially when I have a little extra time, is read. But today, right now, I want to talk about number two, which is this person in Texas, a mother who put a viral video up on Facebook about how she uses Monopoly money to reward her kids for chores. And you can see the list right there of how much she's paying for it. And of course, it's Monopoly money, but it's $20 for a clean room. And then the kids can actually earn money to buy snacks, which I think is a great idea. I tell you, these kids are eating everything in the house. We can't keep up with it. Maybe that would help a lot and encourage them to do their own thing about cleaning room as well. So before we get to number three, I want to tell you about that. I think it's a pretty neat idea of all the things you can do. I'm going to pull it up here in just a minute, but it talks about doing tours, virtual tours right now from your living room, from wherever you are. Do them with your kids. It's educational, but it's just gorgeous. I can tell you, Edith and I have been right here where this Arches is. It's a beautiful place. Take a hike. If you want to do something like go on a hike to Mount Fuji in Japan, or do the national parks, they have virtual tours of just about anything. You want to dive deep in the ocean, you can do that. They will take you down to the very bottom of the sea. Walk the city streets. I kind of would like to do that. Here's one I definitely would like to do is see the Vatican, and I think that'd be really cool. I will tell you that even with, oh, well, here's the Catacombs of Paris. Definitely, I would love to do that. I know Edith and her cousin, they were scheduled to do that, but it got canceled at the last minute, but it looks pretty cool. I don't know why. But I just really would like to see that in person. So I just want you to know that we're here. If you need us, give us a call. We're praying for your family. We're hoping everybody's okay. And I know it's a rough situation out there. I hope that everybody is able to still do work. Those that can from home are doing it. I know that we have a lot of relatives at the plant still going out all the time. A lot of people on the front lines with the medical. I know there's a lot of bad stuff going on out there. Look, if you need something, give us a call. If it's something that we can help you with, we'll be right there beside you to help you any way we can. All right, everybody, take care. Have a good Thursday.